Hello friends, today we will study about the we are solving the numerical on trusses or frames which having the one end hinge and the other is supported on the roller. Means roller supports are provided on the other end and one end of the frame or truss is hinge. We know that hinge support, if one support is roller, then hinge support having the inclination with the vertical. So the inclination angle is given by tan theta is equal to summation of horizontal forces divided by summation of vertical forces. This formula we will record in upcoming numerical. So let's see the numerical. uh, this is a figure which shows the frame structure of 4 meter span and 1 meter height subjected to 2 point loads at point B and D. Find the reaction at A and C. Means we are given 2 point loads. At point B 8 kilonewton, that is horizontal load. At point D 12 kilonewton downward direction load, and it having the 4 meter total length. Means point A to point C is distance is 4 meter, and this horizontal vertical distance is height, means it is a 1.5 meter. So the let RA is having the reaction at A and RB as a sorry, RB not RB, it is RC, make a correction. So RC at reaction at C. So we know that since the structure it is having the supported on roller at C point, roller support is there, that is at right hand side. So therefore the reaction at C will be the vertical because of the horizontal support. Its reaction will be the vertical, and at left hand side, that is at point A, it will be hinge support, and so the result it will be having the resultant of the vertical and horizontal forces. So thus it will be, as it is a hinge point, so it will be inclined to the vertical. So means A reaction having the inclination force, C direction, yes, C point having the vertical force. So we have to find out the forces. So by taking the moment A and equating the same, means we have to take at moment with respect to the point A. So we know that the moment is nothing but the force into the displacement we will get. So the we know that vertical RC point is vertical upward force, so it is RC, and the distance from the A is 4 meter. So RC multiplied by 4 is equal to, because it is anti-clockwise, so clockwise forces are with respect to A is D and point B. So two forces are there, so it will be D is 12 kilonewton multiplied by 2 because distance is 2, and 8 having the height 1.5, so 8 into 1.5, so the total multiplication and addition of this is 36. So the RC is equal to, that is vertical component C, that is only one component, so 36 upon 4, so 9 kilonewton answer will be there. So one of the reaction we got, that is at RC, 9 kilonewton answer. Now we have to find the reaction at A. We know that reaction at A, it will be the horizontal and vertical forces resultant, and it will be inclined. So we have to find out the vertical forces, horizontal forces, and angle of inclination. So the vertical component, we will take vertical component. So we know that vertical components are at point D and at point C. Both are in opposite direction. One is C point upward direction and D point is downward direction. So it will be 12 minus 9. So vertical component upward direction VA is your 12 minus 9 is 3 because of the equilibrium. So the next horizontal components, we know that we have only one horizontal is at point B, so it will be again equal to the HA, horizontal component of A, but in reverse direction. So the reaction is nothing but the resultant of these two. So we got the vertical at 3 kilonewton and horizontal component at A. So the resultant reaction at A RA is will be equal to under root of 8 square plus 3 square. By solving this, we will got the answer. We get the answer 8.54 kilonewton. So this is your second answer. The reaction at point A will be 8.54 kilonewton. But it will be inclined. We know that it will be inclined because of the hinge support. So we have to find out the angle of inclination of the reaction A makes with the vertical. We know that the formula, that is tan theta is equal to summation of horizontal component divided by summation of vertical component. So tan theta is equal to horizontal component is 8 kilonewton, as we know this is, and vertical component is 3 kilonewton. So by dividing this we get 2.667, or theta is equal to tan inverse of this 2.667. So we got the answer 69.4. So the RA will be at an angle of 69.4 with a vertical. Thank you.